How to fix common error in MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the most common errors in MetaTrader 5. So if your app keeps glitching, freezing, or not connecting, just follow these simple steps and you'll have MT5 running smoothly again. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Open MetaTrader 5 on your phone and see if it's taking too long to load or keeps saying no connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch it off, then try using your mobile data. And if you're already on mobile data, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network instead. Many MT5 issues are caused by weak or unstable internet, so this step alone can fix the problem. Next, we're going to reset the app data. Don't worry, this is super easy. On Android, press and hold the MetaTrader 5 app icon, tap App Info, then go to Storage and hit Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, then Confirm. This clears temporary files that can cause MT5 to crash or lag. On iPhone, go to your phone settings and search for iPhone storage. Scroll down, find MetaTrader 5, tap it, and choose Offload App. Once it finishes, just reinstall it from the same screen. Your trading data stays safe, but the app gets refreshed. Finally, restart your phone. Just turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. A simple restart can clear background glitches that affect MetaTrader, and that's it. These steps usually fix most MetaTrader 5 problems, so you can get back to trading without stress. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you still have issues.